In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix suspended account on TikTok. Okay, so if you have gotten the message that your TikTok account has been suspended, there is this one thing that you can do that has produced pretty good results to get your account unsuspended. Okay, so if you cannot use your main account because it's suspended, okay, so what you want to do is you actually want to create a brand new TikTok account. And to do that, you just click on your profile and you can just tap at the top there where your name is, and then you can just click on add account. Now you just want to create a TikTok account with either your phone number or your email, your Facebook, Google, or Twitter. So for this, I'll just demonstrate something with phone or email. Okay, so what you actually need to do now is where it says phone number, you want to put in the same phone number that is associated with your suspended account, okay? Or the same email address that's associated with your suspended account. Then you just want to go through the typical sign up process on TikTok, enter in the same age that you had on your suspended account. And when you try to log in, it's going to say that you already have an account. But the only difference is then, if I just go back, once you log into your account, once you log into your suspended account, a pop-up is going to appear and it's going to say your account is suspended, but it's also going to have an option for you to appeal that. Obviously don't have that on mine because it's not suspended, but if you tap on appeal, you can send TikTok a ticket and they'll look at it manually and you'll pretty much get your account unsuspended that way. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.